This is Ben with Tucson Future Classics here with the fun one today. This is stock number 25095, our 2009 Smart Fortwo Passion Cabriolet. This is a one-owner vehicle with 93,000 miles. In this walk around, I'll show any cosmetic flaws this vehicle might have, which are not a lot. The one owner took very good care of it. This is a fun to drive vehicle with lots of unique and quirky charm. Start here in the front. This is where the incident was reported, and there's no obvious damage at all. Front end of this car is in very good condition. If a repair was needed, it was done professionally. The body panels of this car are not made out of metal. I believe they're made out of plastic, so they don't dent like a normal car might. There might be some minor scuffs present on the vehicle, but overall it's in great condition. Rear bumper also presents well. There's no damage to be seen here. I'll show you the functions of the convertible top in just a moment. Driver's side of the vehicle is also in great shape. No damage to report here. Just some light scratching on this black plastic piece right here. We'll step inside the vehicle. You gotta be careful because I chose to park in this puddle for some reason. Smart car has black leather seats inside in great condition. On the door panel, you have power windows and your power mirrors. The locks are power operated as well. They're just in the center. This interior is in great shape. There's no rips, stains, tears, etc. to report on these seats, which I'll give you a closer look right now. We'll step inside here after I knock some water off my shoes. Again, I don't know why I parked in this puddle. I think it looks kind of cool. Here's the odometer, about 93,000 miles. No warning lights to report at all. A couple paddle shifters on the steering wheel. Nothing else to report. Nice storage cubby on the left of the column. The center of the dash up above, you have two gauges. One of them being your tachometer, the other one being a clock. All your air conditioning controls are in one place up here between the vents. You have an AM/FM radio with a CD player and auxiliary input. That input is in the glove box. Some more buttons here, your hazards, door locks, fog light, and seat heaters. And then you have a tire pressure reset right there. Not too sure what this button does. It might be to disable the alarm. Some cup holders right here and a power outlet. Your gear shifter for your 5-speed automated manual transmission. And a manual handbrake. Buttons right here are to control the convertible top, which functions excellently. What I'll do is I'll hold down the button for a while until this top part of the roof comes down. It's gonna stop, and then I'm gonna press it again, and the rest of the roof is gonna come down all the way. So we'll start with this button. All right, one more time. As you can see, the power top functions excellently. There's no weird noises, no crunching, grinding, etc. Up here, you have a rear view mirror and a simple dome light. There's a lot more space in here for 2 passengers than you would think. I'm about 6 feet tall and I don't feel cramped in this vehicle at all. Here's what the Smart car looks like from the outside when the top is down. It's a great open roof experience. It's a little bit warm for it right now, but in about a month, it's gonna be perfect convertible weather. Driving this with the top down is a lot of fun. And while I have the top down, the trunk does open while it's down. Excuse all the stuff there. I'll switch to a new clip shortly and show you the trunk space. Now that the top is up, here's how to operate the trunk. As you saw earlier, there's a button here to open this, and it folds down to turn into a small tailgate. It's rated for 220 pounds, so a person can easily sit on it. On each side of the top underneath, there's a button that you press to unlock it, and then this lifts up and locks into place to give you more access to that trunk. There's not much to report back here, other than the fact that storage is really not that bad. It's a very usable trunk, and if you need more space, there's a well behind the rear, the only seats rather. And on the tailgate itself, this opens up. Truthfully, I'm not sure what this is for, but there's some space to put some items if you need to. Underneath this rear panel is access to the engine. There is a service panel you need to remove to get to it. But if you needed to do any maintenance on this vehicle, it's pretty easily accessible. Up here, since there's no engine, there's not a whole lot to report other than this removable panel. Easily pulled off. Ideally, you use 2 hands to just hold on to it, but it's held on with a strap. Up here, you have access to some of your fluids, including coolant, brake fluid, etc. This Smart Fortwo Cabriolet is perfect for someone looking for a car that's both fun and quirky. It's very much a conversation starter. All the places I took it to today, including a Jaguar dealership, car wash, and emissions, everyone loved it, and they couldn't help but smile. It's gonna be the perfect car in about a month here in Tucson when temperatures do finally cool down. And it's hard to beat this cute little car at such an affordable price. If you're interested in more pictures, want more information, or want to see more of our inventory, check out our website, TucsonFutureClassics.com. If you're interested in a test drive, we are appointment only. Please call or text our dealership at 520-268-6244.